folks, welcome to 44 Fat to Fit. Just completed week 5 of my 20-week weight loss challenge. For those that are new to my channel, welcome. I am embarking in a 20-week weight loss challenge to turn my obese 44-year-old body from fat to fit. So how did I do? Well, I'm happy to report that in week 5, I've continued to lose pounds. And in week 5, I've lost a total of 2.8 pounds. Now this week is all about hiking. We upped our hiking session from 3 sessions to 6 sessions this week. Without further ado, let's jump into the details. Hey folks, so here we are on our calorie analysis for week 5. This is the daily calorie intake summary chart. The blue bars that you see are the daily calorie consumption that I consume for that particular day. The green bar is the daily average calorie consumption. And then the red bar is my daily calorie goal. So in this case, like to keep my daily calorie consumption just below 1800. And so for the most part throughout the week, I've been pretty good in staying below my daily calorie goal. So pretty happy about that. And my average daily consumption per day was right around 1400 calories. Let's jump into a typical day on the type of meal that I consume. So oatmeal is my breakfast go-to meal. If you follow my weekly updates, you'll know that that's pretty much what I eat for breakfast. I typically fast in the morning, so I do have a late breakfast. And I find that is actually pretty good for me as far as kickstarting my metabolism. During lunch, I had a half Chipotle burrito. Chipotle is my go-to spot whenever I want a burrito bowl or a burrito. I typically can consume a whole burrito if I wanted to, but now that I'm on my journey, I want to make sure I watch my portions. So I had half of the burrito and my wife ate the other half. Another good thing about this is the fact that I think I saved some money as well. Instead of buying 2 burritos, we just had 1 burrito, and it was pretty filling. So I was good with that. During dinner, my dad cooked his specialty, the black bean braised spare rib. My oh my oh my, it's so good. The sauce that he prepares, the tenderness of the ribs, it's just spot on. But it is a heavy meal, and it's about 1,000. It's a little over 1,000 calories, but it was well worth it. Now, I typically do drink anywhere between 3 or 4 cups of water per day. It is not only good for hydration, but I also think that it helps with my metabolism. I don't log it here only because there's no calories to log, but I do drink tea as well. I often add a sweetener called agave just to balance out the bitterness of the tea. Works out really well. Finally, we ended the day with a green juice. Typically, our green juice includes mixed greens, frozen berries, cucumber, apples, and sometimes we'll add a slice of ginger as well. If you look at the total calorie consumption that I had, excluding exercise or burned calories, that's actually 2,400 calories that I consumed. That's a lot. That's well over my 1,800 calorie threshold. But because I worked out that day, I actually did 3 sessions. I did a 20-minute workout on the treadmill. Then I think I did almost a 2-hour, I think it's an hour and a half hiking session. And then I did another 25 minutes of what I call nightly walks on the treadmill. So I burned 750 calories. So my total calorie consumption for the day was only 1,654 calories. So just below my 1,800 calorie threshold. So that's how I track my meals. Let's take a look at my weekly progression. This is my weekly weight loss progression chart. I started at 207 pounds, as you can see, and after 5 weeks, I am now at 194 pounds. So I essentially lost 13 pounds within 5 weeks. My goal is to get to 177 pounds. So what does that translate as far as attainment goes? So again, I'm challenging myself in a 20-week weight loss challenge. I started at 207 pounds. I'm hoping to have my ending weight at the 20-week to be 177 pounds. So right now I'm at 43% of my goal. All right, so that's it for my calorie analysis. Let's jump on to our before and after pics. They say that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with the very first step. After 5 weeks of my progression, I couldn't agree more. My first step on the treadmill, my first day tracking my calorie intake, my first hiking session, my first day of eating below my calorie goal of 1,800 calories. All this have led to me losing pounds, healthier eating habits, working out again, and sleeping better at night. My only question is, why didn't I do it sooner? Folks, that is my week 5's key takeaway. As always, thank you for tuning in. Stay safe, keep healthy, and I'll see you in week 6.